Okay, my resource is the the PHET simulations through University of Colorado in Boulder. They have a ton of interactive simulations for science and mathematics. If you look here, they have physics, chemistry, math, earth science, and biology. I'm going to focus on the chemistry ones because they're the ones I use. I'm a chemistry teacher, but I'm sure the other ones are great. So in the chemistry simulations, you can see they have a list of a ton of virtual simulations that work for a lot of different topics in chemistry. And the nice thing about these is it gives students a chance to explore something hands-on online when they can't really do a lab in person. These labs are all created through something called HTML5. HTML5 can be accessed on any device, anywhere, and you don't need to download anything. So they just run online, which is awesome. You don't need to create an account. You don't have to have any sort of sign-on or anything like that. You can just click on them and you can use them. So that's why I use them in class frequently. The one I'm going to focus on is one called Build an Atom, which is right here. So if you clicked on one of the simulations that comes up with this page, they have an embed link, so you can actually embed this directly into your page, and they have a download link if you wanted to download and use it offline. I use the embed links quite frequently. They do have this link for teachers. If you click down here at the bottom, it shows teachers how to use this simulation, so it gives you instructions. It also links to activities that other teachers have already created that use this simulation, so you don't have to create an activity. You can just kind of browse through some of them that are there and use them. And those are all free to download. You might have to create a teacher account, but it is free to sign on and create the teacher account. The students will not need to create that account. I did embed one into a Canvas module just so you can see this is a student view of an assignment. So I just called it PHET Lab. This is what pops up. So they are right there on the lab, and you can give them instructions. Since this is an assignment, you could have a typed up instructions at the top above this or below it. And then you can even have them upload something. So if you need them to create some sort of assignment while they're watching the simulation, then they can upload it back. It works great. Embeds right there in Canvas, so it's easy to use. If you have any questions, just let me know.